A lot of times I'll give them cracked corn too. The squirrels like it more than the chipmunks, but come here, buddy. Come on, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Boomer. But Boomer likes birdseed, so I imagine. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Imagine he will like cracked corn. Hi, Boomer. Come on. Get up here. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, Boomer. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Look. I put some cracked corn up in here. Look. Come on, dude. Come here. Boomer. Look. Look. Come here. Come on, Boomer. Boomer. Come here. Come here, buddy. Look. All right. Hang on, Boomer. Goodness sake. He knows I'm holding out. Come here, Boomer. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Oh, now you found it. Yeah. Now you found it. That's a good peanut right there. He's just off camera eating a peanut. Is that a good peanut? Look at the corn. You like bird seed? Come on. Sure. Come on. There you go, my friend. He ate a peanut, but he didn't eat the corn. Well, maybe the other ones will.